how to do a hanging indent in your MS Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do a hanging indent into any sentence or paragraph in your Microsoft Word document. So as here you can see, I have this MS Word sample document right here, and in this tutorial we will adjust this particular paragraph using a hanging indent. So in order to adjust the hanging indent for this paragraph, simply move your cursor at the starting of this paragraph, and then here you will be able to see this particular option or icon over this ruler. Now this particular icon has three different sections. The top most is the first line indent, then the middle one is the hanging indent, and the third one is the left indent. So in order to adjust the hanging indent, you need to click onto this bottom one, and then you can adjust the position of this particular indentation like this. So that's how easily you can apply an hanging indent into this particular sentence in your MS Word document. So that was all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.